Figure out is a very common English phrasal verb that means to understand something or solve a problem through thinking and analysis. It is used when you discover the answer by using your brain and logic, not by asking someone or looking up information. Figure out describes the process of discovering information through your own thinking, reasoning, and analysis. You use it when you solve problems, understand difficult concepts, or discover solutions by working through them yourself with careful thought. I cannot figure out this math problem. This shows figure out used for solving a difficult academic problem that requires logical thinking and working through steps to find the correct answer. It took me hours to figure out the puzzle. Here, figure out describes spending time thinking and trying different approaches until successfully solving a challenging puzzle through persistence and analysis. We need to figure out how to fix this. This example shows figure out used when facing a practical problem that requires discovering the method or solution through logical reasoning and experimentation. She finally figured out what to do next. This demonstrates figure out for making decisions through careful thought, where someone analyzes their situation and discovers the best course of action. Can you figure out how this works? Notice the common pattern with figure out followed by how, what, or why plus additional information. This structure asks about understanding methods, choices, or reasons through analysis. Figure out plus how, what, or why. This is the most common structure for figure out. Use figure out how to understand methods, figure out what to discover choices or solutions, and figure out why to understand reasons or causes.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.